The iRobot Roomba i4 Evo vacuum is an impressive device with a 20% larger battery compared to other iSeries vacuums, which ensures extended runtime for thorough cleaning. This intelligent device is equipped with iRobot OS and Imprint smart mapping technology, which learns and personalizes your cleaning habits, enabling it to clean specific rooms at your preferred times. The Roomba i4 Evo exhibits a powerful three-stage cleaning system that effectively sweeps up dust, dirt, and pet hair, delivering a comprehensive clean. The vacuum operates in precise, tidy rows, navigating intelligently around furniture and recharging as needed, ensuring no spot is left untouched. It stands out with its patented Dirt Detect technology, which enables it to focus on dirtier areas for a more thorough clean, making it an excellent choice for homes with pets. Another unique feature is its compatibility with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant-enabled devices, allowing you to command your vacuum to clean specific areas, offering a high level of convenience.